Hello guys, welcome to Ray Creators Lab. In this video, I will be sharing some of the best tools that will help your email marketing and automation processes. So, make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss out on anything about these tools. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the tools we'll be discussing. Number 1. ActiveCampaign. ActiveCampaign helps you send the right emails to the right people at the right time. Some of the top features include email marketing, dynamic content, segmentation, CRM, landing pages and forms. Number 2. SmartLead AI. SmartLead is a popular tool designed to enhance your email marketing efforts with features like premium deliverability at scale, powerful APIs and automation, unlimited email warm-ups, unified master inbox, customized white labeling and email follow-up automation. Number 3. Beehive. Beehive is an email marketing platform known for its user-friendly interface and intuitive workflow. Beehive offers the option to set up and use custom domains for branding. There are also other options like audience segmentation, which allows you to categorize and target specific groups of subscribers. The growth tools like referral programs, giveaways, and integrations with tools for organic list growth. The monetization options allows you to add paid subscriptions and monetize content. Then, you have analytics and insights for detailed metrics like open rates, click-through rates, and subscriber growth. Other features are automations, no-code integrations, and most importantly, customizable templates for your needs. Number 4. GetResponse. GetResponse is a comprehensive email marketing solution that combines email automation, landing pages, and CRM functionality. GetResponse's autoresponder tool and robust reporting capabilities make it a favorite among marketers seeking an all-in-one solution. Number 5. Warmbox AI. Warmbox is an innovative tool that specializes in warming up cold email campaigns. The features include 1. Automated email warm-up, which automatically warms up email addresses by gradually increasing sending volume and frequency. 2. Spam recovery. This helps recover emails from spam or promotions folders by improving sender reputation. 3. Multi-platform integration. Warmbox supports integration with various email service providers like Gmail, Outlook, SendGrid, etc. 4. Custom warm-up schedule. Allows users to create tailored warm-up schedules based on their needs. 5. Easy setup. Warmbox help you with a simple, user-friendly setup process to get started quickly. 6. AI-powered adjustments. Warmbox uses AI to adjust warm-up strategies based on the email engagement and performance. Last but not the least, number 6. Systeme. Systeme is a unique email marketing tool that focuses on simplicity and ease of use. The features of Systeme are 1. Email marketing. This includes email automation, newsletters, and autoresponders to nurture and engage your audience. 2. Sales funnels. This helps you to create and manage multi-step sales funnels to capture leads and drive conversions. 3. Website and blog builder. Drag and drop builder for creating websites, blogs, and landing pages without coding skills with Systeme. 4. CRM. There is a built-in customer relationship management (CRM) system for managing leads and customer interactions. 5. Custom domains. Simply use your own domain for landing pages, websites, and email marketing to reinforce branding. 6. Payment integrations. Systeme integrates with Stripe, PayPal, and other payment gateways for seamless transactions. There you have it. We have come to the end of this video and I hope you find it useful. To use these tools, you can visit the websites using the links in the description of this video. Kindly like and share this video. If you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button right away and turn on the notification for more valuable content.